ladies, so if you were absent today, on Tuesday the 16th, we actually did test corrections today. And so there's going to be a lot of clicking to get us started. And so you definitely want to watch this video to make sure that you know exactly where to go to get some information, okay? So the first thing that you can do, if you go click on, and I'm in a student view, so I'm going in as if I were a student. So the first thing you want to do is go into modules, okay? Remember, everything is in modules, so click on modules. You're going to go find today, which is Tuesday, Feb 16. And then it's going to say test correction page, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is obviously watch this video, right? But you're going to do the test correction page. So when you click on test correction page, this is going to pop up. Now, this is where you're going to submit your assignment, okay? So I want you to remember that. Now, if you are one of those people that like to do Doc Hub, here is the PDF version of the printed out quiz for you, okay? So again, if you are a Doc Hub person, you can do this. Otherwise, just do it on a separate sheet of paper. It's no problem, okay? Here's the deal, though. You do not have to do every single one of your problems, okay? So you only have to do the problems that you missed. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on grades. Again, this is a lot of clicking, so I'm really sorry. But let's go find out what questions you missed. So go click where it says grades. And then on your grades, here's a list of all of your grades. Now, I'm in as a test student, and I am missing all kinds of stuff. I am not a very good kid. So you are amazing, though, and are doing a much better job. But if you scroll all the way down, at the bottom, or towards the bottom, okay, it's going to say quadrilateral properties. It was due either February 11th or 12th, depending on if you were in my Thursday or Friday class, okay? But it will say out of 30 points, and then there's a speech bubble, and that's what I want you to go look for, is this little speech bubble. So if you click on that, it's going to open up a dialogue, and it's going to tell you these random numbers. Those are the questions you missed. Those are the questions that you have to go in and do. You don't have to do them all, okay? The only ones I'm going to grade and give you half credit for back are those, okay? I hope that that makes a little bit of sense. So again, that was in grades. You scroll all the way down to the bottom, find the one that says quadrilateral properties, and click on the speech bubble, okay? And then again, if you go in the modules and you go into Tuesday, Feb 16, this is where you're actually going to submit your assignment, okay? All right. Make sure you send me an email if you have any questions, okay?